Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lauren.Kanemoto and this is DIY with Lauren K. Gosh, this shower is so disgusting. Look how gross. This is so disgusting. I'm going to show you how to clean this. These off. Cleaning supplies that we're going to be using. I purchased it all at the dollar for the pool. It's made out of that noodle material. We're going to be on our knees a lot, so I figured that I'd get one of these. So this is in the toys pool section. One of the rollers. Yes, the roller. And you're going to use this for your drain. A spray bottle. This specific Dawn soap, you're going to use it with this baking soda, a soap dispensing brush, yeah, that's about it. You want to put the Dawn soap in first before you pour the vinegar, because if you do it the other way around, the vinegar is just going to pour out of the sponge before you can even put the soap in. So you're just going to keep doing that, and you're going to keep mixing it till the solution is pretty much all mixed. You're gonna fill it up with vinegar. Ok, ya así. Y vamos a esperar 30 minutos. Now we're gonna wait about 30 minutes. You're gonna get your solution. Just gonna start spraying the heck out of it. tiene que ver como que si hubieras matado un Smurf. Y si no se ve así, necesitas que echarle más. So it has to look like you just murdered a Smurf in here. And if it doesn't, then you need to add more, and you need to exprimirle más. Make sure you open up a window too. You want to let this soak for about 20 to 30 minutes. Put a little bit of cold water in here to spray. Let it sit a little bit too long. I said only about 20 minutes. Actually waited about an hour, not on purpose, but I did. When you wait that long, it gets really hard to scrub off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some cold water. It is just water. Now I'm gonna spray it everywhere, and it should make it a lot easier to Roma. About that much. A couple drops. Some of this. And hot water. You see how the drain is clogged? Get super hot baking soda. Okay, so I just want to shout out a couple people, my new subscribers, my newly found subscribers. Thank you guys. So I'm gonna see my husband, Aunt Sally, and Sylvia Davis. Oh, Jaime Mejia, Carl Ashley, Eri Love. Sorry if I totally butcher what your name is. I apologize. Let's see, Dirty Clouds, Melissa S, Elizabeth, Avila, Scott Martinez, Angela Renee, Denise Alcorda, Christine Fikes, Espinoza Fikes, Kevin Walker, Aaron Gordon, and whoever else has subscribed. Thank you so much. We are currently at 31, and once we get to 100 I will do a giveaway. So thank you so much guys for supporting my channel and commenting on my videos and liking them, subscribing, and sharing them. If you think somebody would enjoy this or it could help them out in some way, please share. Just stay tuned for my next videos. Bye guys. Thank you for watching DIY with Lauren K.
In the next video, why aren't you subscribed yet?